So you've done the hard work, you've gone and caught the fish. Now it's time to fillet them because they're such good eating. A lot of people are worried about filleting, but it's quite easy as long as you've got the right knives to do it. Here, I've got just a little Victory knife. It's quite flexible. It allows me to work over or through the fine bones on a species like a whiting. Not ideal for species like snapper, but for this stuff, it's perfect. So first way I like to do it, get your fish. You're gonna make the diagonal cut in here behind the head, like so, like that. Right, and then I'm going to turn that knife and we're going to try and work our way over the rib cage. Okay, I'm just going over the top of the rib cage, and you lose a tiny bit of meat doing this, but you'll see that you don't then have to do so much trimming. Now I'm basically at the back of the stomach. I can come back down along the backbone, nice smooth cuts like so. All right, there you go. So you've got the rib cage still attached there. There's a little sliver of meat over the top, but we don't have to then trim this off. All right, I'll just give that a quick wipe, get all the goo off it, like that. Don't wash your fillets ever. It's the worst thing you can do. Just keep them as dry as you can. From here, hold the back of the fillet like that, or you can leave it attached to the body. Once we've got that bit done there, grab that. And then if you actually saw the skin, don't move the knife so much. Saw the skin back and forth, hold it nice and flat along your board. There you have a beautiful bone-free whiting fillet, just like that. Okay, so now you've done that side, I'll show you the other way you can do it. We'll roll this over. I'm gonna actually cut through the rib cage on this one, so we're gonna do the same thing. Diagonal cut behind the head, down to the backbone, turn that knife sideways, and then we're just gonna run the knife along the backbone, okay? All the way through like that. And on this I'll show you, if you leave the fillet attached, it's easy to work with. You've got the rib cage in there, but what I'll do is I'll actually just get your knife, pop it just in through there, and then chop that out just like that. So you sort of end up with the same amount of waste doing that as you did on the other side. Put that to the side, and then again, this gives you something to actually hold at the start here. Get that knife down nice and flat, saw the fillet back and forth, push the knife, and once again, you've got yourself a beautiful skin-free, bone-free fillet. I do like to leave the skin on mine, give them a scale, knock the fillet off that way, because I just like fish skin, it crisps up beautifully. But if you don't like fish skin, that shows you how easy it can be.